Everyone, welcome back to Codebreaker. I'm Edward, and today's video we are going to take your HTML skills to the next level. We will be exploring how to format text and create clickable links. So let's get started. HTML has various tags. So today we're going to see some of those tags. So let's get started. HTML has various tags that allow you to format text in different ways. This is important to make your website content look clear and engaging. So let's check out a few key ones. So here is the basic example of text formatting using bold, italic, and underlined text. So like we did last time, we start with our doc type, then HTML is the next. Then here we shall add the head like we did last time. Then there is this tag we didn't see last time. This is title. So you add that, and then we're going to make our title to be text formatting. Text formatting. So we put the title inside the head. Then below the head we're going to add the body like we did last time. Then from there we shall add our h1 tag. We add our h1 tag. Then inside this we add our b tag, that is for bold. Then in between those b tags, the opening and the closing tag, we're gonna add something there. Oh, so sorry, this is not what I had prepared. So let me first get this out. Then I'll write HTML text formatting. HTML text formatting. Then below that I'll add a p tag that is for paragraph, and inside that I'll put a b tag that is for bold. So I'll write in there, this is bold. Then below that I'll put another paragraph, and inside that paragraph I'll put the I tag that is for italic, and I'll put this is italic. Then below that, down that, I'll put another p tag, and inside that I'll put this u tag, and that is for underline tag, and I'll say this is underlined, like that. So that is our simple code. As you can see, we use the b tag for bold, I tag for italics, and the u for underline text. Now let's open this in the browser and see how it looks like. So like you can see, this is bold and this is in italics and this is underlined. So that's how we text format on our web pages using the HTML. Now here we go. These tags are simple but powerful for styling your text. Play around with them in your own projects. Well, this is a tip. If you want to learn coding, please learn coding by hands-on. Watch this as you're practicing at the same time. So next up, let's talk about how to create links, which are one of the most fundamental parts of any website. Links allow you to connect to other web pages, either within your site or to external sites. So the tag for links in HTML is the anchor tag, and that is a, not just a like this. So it is called the anchor tag. Okay, so let's write a very simple link in our web page. So allow me to first delete this. Then let me say in my h1 I'll add a heading saying, let me say, let's link this page. Then I'll come below this and then put a p tag. So remember, sorry about that, I'll put a p tag. So remember very well, a link can be represented by very many stuff, and image, it can be represented by either the image, a button, or a text. So here we're going to use a text, and we're going to say, please visit my portfolio. Please visit my portfolio using this link. Oh, so sorry about that. So sorry about that. So it's going to say, please visit my portfolio using this link. And so sorry about that. So I'm going to put my link inside this portfolio stuff. So I'll put this, then so I do copy this text, I cut it, then I bring it inside here. So I type my link inside this, that is Edward Brain dot site. Then from here we open up our browser, and then so this is the link. You see, when you hover the cursor over this, it changes to a hand. So if I click this, it will try to open up a portfolio like this. So this is my portfolio. Don't be shy to visit it. So notice that the href attribute inside the a, this one here. So that's why you press the URL for the web page you want to link to. So as we've opened the browser, so when you click the link, it will take you directly to the website like we've seen. Simple but super effective. Alright, so now you know how to format text and create links in HTML. These are essential tools to start making your pages more interactive and readable. In the next video, we will dive into how to add images and lists to your site. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up to to like this video, subscribe for more coding tips and tutorials. I will see you in the next video.